Shape comes with tons of pre-made views, reports, and dashboards to give you all of the information you need at a glance. However, there may be times in which you want to make your own list segments and reports, and we also give you really easy ways to do that as well. Currently, I'm on the All Records view, which takes all of my contact records and puts them into one big list for me. From here, I can drill down on specific pieces of data. For example, if I wanted to use filters and select a specific status, such as application completed, I can either select one or I can select multiple here. This is just a simple pre-made filter, but you can use more. You can also add your own custom field filters below by selecting exactly what you're looking for. When you press apply, this will yield the results onto your view, and you can see everything at a glance. If I then wanted to take this data and I wanted to see specific pieces of information, for example, when we sent the application, when they started the application, and when they completed it, if applicable, I could go into the Manage Columns area and I could actually look for that data. You can see here I could select the application sent, started, and completed. These would add those 3 dates, and if I wanted to organize them in a way that made the most sense to me, I could very easily do that. Actually, they are kind of in the right view. I can move them up as needed. When you do that, you can press apply and your columns do change. Now, if I really liked this view and I wanted to save it, I could go into filters and I can press Save Filtered List. Here I could do Applications in Progress. When I save that, this will automatically save that filter for future needs. And you can always share and delete as needed. If you have any questions on how to make your own list segments or your own reports, let us know.